Hi there, my name is Amanda and today we're going to look at the Philips waterproof hard shell case. Sudden cardiac arrest is a leading cause of death in the UK, accounting for an estimated 65,000 deaths each year. The survival rate is 1 in 10. With this in mind, various programs are being introduced where automated external defibrillators, AEDs, are being placed throughout the public domain with the goal of making AEDs more accessible to everyone in an emergency. A common problem found is that most people do not realise that the AEDs do not come with a case to hold it as standard. These are normally purchased separately or alongside the AED at point of sale. Depending on where the AED is going to be located, inside or out, will determine which type of case is bought. Designed to accompany the HS1 and FRX AED and its main accessories, although sold separately, the waterproof hard shell case is made from durable plastic. The case is easy to clean and is fully waterproof, protecting its contents. It's durable, resistant to abrasions, tears and scuffs, as well as protecting the contents from harsh weather and moisture. The hard shell case is big enough to store paramedic scissors on one side and 2 pad sets on the other. The infant child key is at the back, and if we remove the AED from the case, we'll find separate compartments for the entire fast response kit. This includes a Laerdal pocket breathing mask, a gallon chest hair razor, 2 sets of nitrile gloves, an extra absorbent paper towel, and this case can also house a spare battery for the AED. It also has a little pocket up here for a reference guide. It's pretty amazing, pretty impressive. This case is bright red in colour, so there's no problem seeing it from a distance. The case itself has no shelf life and should last the lifetime of the AED if looked after properly. This case is lightweight, weighing in at 2.3 kilograms and comes with a 12-month manufacturer's warranty from Philips. Just remember, this comes empty, it doesn't come with the contents in it at the moment. Please be aware that the waterproof hard shell case does not automatically come with the purchase of an AED and may need to be purchased separately. Check out our links below and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, please feel free to check out our frequently asked questions or alternatively contact us directly at www.adoptanaed.co.uk. and we'll be happy to assist you in any way we can. On behalf of Adopt an AED, adopt, register and respond.